Hello everyone and welcome to my Bandicam computer video. Well folks, it seems we have a computer problem for in a while. I had this computer for only a year and now we have a battery issue. So for some reason it turns off and it's showing an error message on something detected battery capacity storage or internal battery and it needs to be replaced. So if you have this kind of issue when it starts up, you can you might have to replace your batteries. So you don't need to do that. I tried everything last night to remove the battery and install a Microsoft ACPI method thing, and then once the batteries, so you in your computer down, you turn it over, and then you move the two sides of the battery, take it out, and then plug it in, put in the AC plug, and then check for any things. So my not can no longer use VirtualBox unless I plug it in. So I'm gonna show you here. Let me turn on my computer here. I'm gonna explain to you. So so yeah, it's been doing that for a while. So what I might have to do, get a new battery for it, so you can watch videos on YouTube on re- about battery replacement on your computer. So this is gonna bring up it's gonna as you turn on your computer, it's gonna bring up an error message on something battery internal. This happened to my other computers that I had before. So as you watch videos on YouTube, they're gonna tell you to replace your battery and then turn your computer back on, and then you might have to take out Microsoft ACP on the battery list, uninstall it, and then you take out your battery out of the machine, and then plug it back in and uninstall the battery component and turn off your computer and install. Then you have to let your battery drain more than 3 times. Then once that, I think your battery. But if it's showing so so if it okay, I'll turn it on and explain. Hope it shows up. Okay, weird. Now it's not showing up. Okay, but it showed up the last time. That error message. So if if you're using your computer, your battery shuts off. That means could be something in internal. How long I had this computer? About a year. So
Windows sign in window.
so before you like buy a new battery for your computer on Amazon or whatever, you might want to look at the specs on what battery your laptop uses, or notebook, or Surface Pro. Well, for the Surface Pro computers, it's different. They use a smaller battery, probably a squared one, and Surface laptops. So, okay.
Hidden.
Let's put in our
Hidden.
password here.
Welcome.
Because I can't do any VirtualBox videos if this gonna happen if I'm running on a battery. Because maybe VirtualBox could have caused it because it reads battery adapters, drivers when you use VirtualBox a lot, and it consumes memory. So before you buy a new battery for your HP computer, whatever HP Pavilion or Lenovo or Toshiba or whatever compact, any type of HP manufactured computer you have. So okay, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't shut off, but if it does,
Narrator window. Narrator heading level 1. Scan.
okay, let's turn that off.
Exiting narrator.
So you go in the start menu, you look in your computer's let's go in here. On doing a computer tutorial, don't give me a hard time. So you might want to go to programs and check Windows System. You say Windows Accessories. Is it there? System information. PowerShell. No. Control panel about this PC. I might have to click on properties, I think. Hello. Can go in HP support. So you click on HP support to see what type and what battery you might need for your PC. Because if this keeps happening, I can no longer do any VirtualBox videos because it's really, yeah, I had a couple computers before that happens like this, a lot of issues. So let's see here. Oh, this is, you're gonna have to look for HP 1 triple X something. What? Can't see that. Ah, man. Okay, so the battery seems weak, but it's charged. So it says run a battery check. So this will check your battery. So HP check testing the primary and secondary battery for your device is equipped with secondary. So you gotta click here for a replacement. It might cost if you buy it from HP, but if you get it from Amazon, it might be used. So I wouldn't buy a new replacement battery for. So you might want to click on HP Parts Store and Parts Guide. So yeah. So I'm gonna have to get a new battery for this PC, but I'm gonna have to sign in with HP first, and then get a new battery. So okay, we're gonna type in batteries. Then hit search. So you're gonna scroll. So it will probably show what batteries you gotta buy, and see what you need. So so it says here the battery is functioning correctly due to normal aging and battery between charges. Now significantly shorter than the battery was new. You should consider purchasing a new battery to optimize your computer's experience. So when you see this error message here, I'm gonna have to get a new battery, or look on Amazon, because I figure HP might be expensive if I buy it from them. So yeah, so yeah, so you're gonna have to look up on here. So it says weak. So for some reason it's not charging. 2 years and 2 months battery age from 2 years. So okay, what, it doesn't say what type of battery this is, but you can go to ask HP for virtual help. You can talk to someone, and yeah. So I'm gonna have to get a new battery. So, but it says so if you hit battery check, it's gonna see this here. So it might have to get a new replacement. So I'm gonna shut down the computer here. So the battery needs a replacement. So when you get this kind of issue, first tip is to try removing and replacing the battery, and then, but if this keeps happening, you can't do anything on battery. You're gonna have to do every computer work on the plug. So this come look on YouTube, watch the video, and replace your battery, remove it, uninstall the Microsoft ACP client control. There'll be a two list of them. You gotta uninstall both of that, and then and then turn Windows back on, and then reinstall. But if it's still giving you an issue, you might have to get a replacement. So I'm gonna shut off the computer here. So so
Starting narrator.
so
Desktop.
for
Pane.
any computer work that you do, if your battery is acting up, what you do, you put it on the plug, and then it will run off the plug instead of the battery. But the battery will still be in. But to be on the safe side, is to take out the battery, and see back here. I'll show you. So see, this is the battery back here. So you press two sides, take it out, and then you two sides. Replace the battery, turn on your computer, uninstall the thing, and see what's going on with the battery itself, and check what's causing the issue. Or you can watch videos on YouTube, or you can buy a new replacement battery yourself, or you can contact HP. So that's what you probably might have to do. So it's gonna show up an error message. This thing is open. Okay. So it's best that I get a new battery anyway, just to be on the safe side. So so when you turn on your battery, it's gonna uninstall and stuff like that. So yeah. So this is my video. I'll put it on YouTube. If I upload it on my do it on my computer, I'm gonna have to plug it in. So yeah, that's my video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch all my recent YouTube videos, which is the one. Thank you.